Hello and welcome to Elite Geospatial, and today we're going to look at how to import cloud point into ArcGIS Pro. So you first go to, before you think of doing anything, first you need to add a scene into your ArcGIS Pro. So you go to Insert and you go to New Map and you add a new local scene. Alright, you add a new local scene. So new local scene is opening. After adding a scene, the next thing you want to do is to go to View, and you will see your geoprocessing tool there. So you click on it, and then you will search for Create LAS dataset. Alright, because you can't just bring in the cloud point directly inside. Okay, so with that, you click on this folder when the last create LAS dataset has been done. So you will navigate to the folder containing your cloud point. All right, so I'll click on this. You can see LAS dataset, so I'm going to click on OK. So I've created before, so it's saying dataset 2. All right, so without changing anything, you just click on Run. All right, so once you have a local scene created, it will automatically add it to the local scene. But if you have not added it to a local scene, you will now have to follow other ways to do that. All right, so the easiest way is to create a local scene and then add this to it. So we'll right click and zoom to extend, and then we have our cloud point imported. So it's quite heavy. So if you click on the last data set, you will see that max, you can draw it to max, and you see this is already 4 million. So by the time you draw it to max, we are thinking of having how many? Okay, 4 million max. All right, so it will take a bit of a serious effort from your system to be able to have that done. So basically, today I just want to show you how to import point cloud into ArcGIS Pro, which I believe we've been able to achieve. So anytime you zoom, you will see that this is processing. That's to tell you that it has it's very heavy, and it requires efforts from your system to be able to do that. But that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in and watching Elite Geospatial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. For now, bye-bye.